I want some water to drink and prevent this sun heat. Who will give me water? I want some water. LaRu, where are you? LaRu, LaRu, LaRu.
LaRukids. I looked behind the sofa, I looked under my bed. I found a dozen socks in there and a sandwich green and red. But where, oh where is LaRu, that silly wiggly guy? He's got a nose like a jelly bean and ears that touch the sky. LaRu, LaRu, where are you? Are you stuck inside my shoe? Are you hiding in the soup, doing somersaults with the group? LaRu, LaRu, come on out. Give a giggle, give a shout. Boop a beetle doo. LaRu, where, oh where are you? I checked inside the cookie jar, I checked it twice in fact. I found some crumbs and a rubber duck and Grandpa's two-piece stacked. I asked the cat, have you seen LaRu? She just said meow, no way. Then a giggle came from the fridge somehow. Was LaRu hiding with the mayo today? LaRu, LaRu, where are you? Are you stuck inside my shoe? Are you hiding in the soup, doing somersaults with the group? LaRu, LaRu, come on out. Give a giggle, give a shout. Boop a beetle doo. LaRu, where, oh where are you? Shh, is that a snore I hear coming from the chandelier? LaRu, LaRu, come down from there, you silly noodle with purple hair. LaRu, LaRu, there you are, swinging like a ukulele star. You had us searching high and low, now dance. LaRu, ready, set, go. Boop a beetle doo. We finally found you. There's a big gray elephant stomping down the street, flip, flap, flopping with her great big feet. Her name is Ru and her nose 'tis the floor. She swings it around and it goes toot toot, toot toot toot. Elephant song. Ru the elephant sings it all day long. Big ears flapping like a floppy fan. Toot toot toot. Dance if you can. Ru takes a bath in a muddy pool. Splish, black, splashing, isn't that falls down laughing.
It's time for LaRu Magic.
Thanks, LaRu.
LaRu, LaRu, LaRu.
Subscribe, like, and share LaRu Kids.